the 5 most important steps to prepare for your retirement. Hey there, I'm Lynn Toomey, and my platform, Her Retirement, is all about helping women know more, have more, and live more now and in retirement. Step number 1 is to assess your current financial situation. Know your savings, your income sources, and your expenses. Understanding where you are is the foundation of everything else. Number 2, estimate your retirement needs. Consider factors like inflation, healthcare, longevity, and your lifestyle. 3, maximize your retirement savings. Take advantage of employer matches, contribute to your 401k or your IRA, consider catch-up contributions if you're over 50, and consider other outside-the-box strategies like Roth IRAs, health savings accounts, or index universal life policies. 4, create a retirement income plan. Work with a retirement advisor to make sure you understand your retirement income sources and if that income is going to last throughout your retirement. And if you're running short, what are some strategies to fill the gaps? 5, plan for healthcare and long-term care. Medicare and insurance planning will protect your nest egg from unexpected costs. If you want to learn more about these 5 important steps and other strategies, definitely check out all of the content on my Her Retirement website, including my courses, my content, my coaching, my podcast, also my YouTube channel. Because I believe when you know more, you can have more and you can live more. And sometimes you can leave more to those you love. Let's get her done.